Okay, we got our ducks in a row here. So, we got this bastard thing in. Those holes are really tight, getting those through. I think it said you don't have to install that if you're not going to have any accessories.
Don't get rid of crease in my jeans. Right, we'll leave it at that. But the gauge is not working, so this is all.
Oh, does that need to be spun or something?
No, it's just me being nosy.
It says 2 psi. Yeah, it's moving. It says 2 psi per side, but it's not. We even used
Plasticky job.
that air mattress inflate, deflate thing. Where'd it go? What'd you do with it, husband?
There.
Oh, that little thingy. Get out of here. Getting harassed by bugs. So that little thing there. And it took forever. And it says 2 psi each side, and then on the third chamber it's 1 psi. So red cap is the one-way check valve. Yeah. I say let's
cooking with gas, baby.
Yeah. Just the quality of this thing is brilliant.
Good job, Quest.
Good job, Quest.
Cayuga. What was I going to say as well? I don't know. I was going to say Quest. We keep seeing the word Quest.
Quest everywhere. Like I said, I did a bunch of research and looking for these. This one was $799, which it's hard to find a two-person. And like I said, this is the only one where you're facing each other. We're not looking to go like on rapids or get crazy. Just have a nice leisurely on the water moment together. And comes with this inflatable cup holder. That's groovy. We didn't end up using the 2-in-1 thingy. I had a freaking yellow jacket on me.
What's up with you, woman?
Too many bugs. See? There's another one. Okay. The whole design has a built-in aluminum ribs, which define the bow and stern, and improve performance. Versatile accessory frame system gives the ability to mount aftermarket. Uh-oh. It's full. That was the check valve. It said it's normal if you hear hissing. So I think that's good. Good stability, high volume side tubes. Durable, compact. So I just wanted to give her an online review. We'll take it out next weekend, but Carl's shoulder is not gonna, it's not good to take it out today.
Look at that bastard. We ain't got any oars yet.
No oars.
No oars.
Go grab the other side, the other end. Right on.
Lightweight.
Easy
yeah,
peasy.
Baby.
Heck yeah. That is spacious.
Billy Big Bollocks. I don't know what we're talking about, but yeah.
But there you have it.
Gotta get seats in though. Put pretty seats in. It's going to be a part 3 to this assembling.
Might as well.